Alright, so I'm gonna do a small tour on Grand Depot, which is one of the newest supermarkets in Montego Bay. So yeah. Yeah, we're gonna start from Ohana and work our way down. Next stationery section, where you get your cups. And your irons and stuff. Trying to get both sides because I have to run. Oh, I really like this. It's 240 Jamaican dollars. You got your pots, pans, cutting boards, bathroom stuff. Yeah. Oh, these are nice as well. It's like a Playboy rabbit or bunny. Also for your grains, spaghetti, coffee grounds maybe. Depends. The world is your oyster. Yeah, some panini press, sandwich makers, pots, irons, tarps, stove. Here's that's tiles, I guess. Mosaic wall stickers, but they're very thick. They're like tiles. They're actually tiles actually. They're ceramic or glass. I'm not sure. Sorry. There's like baskets. I think that's a chartboard. Detergent. They're on sale. Okay. There we go. I think these are water pumps. Yep. You get your locks, your baskets, stuff like that. Electronics. Well, electric outlets. And yeah, doorknobs and locks. Gardening supplies, tapes, stuff. Maybe I'll just come I'll do that side and I'll do this side and then that side. Oh, how much is this? Actually would like to purchase one of these. I don't see any prices. So that's that. I guess that's a tool set for 9,000 Jamaican dollars. We have more cups. I like cups, but I don't have much stuff to put in them, so I just don't buy them. I just look. Basically, I get a foot massage kit. I'm not sure what these are. Container. They're plastic containers. Cute look. You get your towels, your rugs, of course. It's pretty cheap. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite store in another video. I go there even when I don't want anything to buy. I'm very religious in that place. And this is a kiddie section with it's mostly girl toys. It's pretty cool. Stitch. You have your ceramics. Oh, and that's the cat food section, which is, let's just say, pet section, because you have dog foods and cat foods. So yeah, that Lysol, disinfectant needs, more toys, plates, plate holders. Yeah. So that's that. And the prices aren't bad. I'm not sure how much toys go for. It's been a while since I bought a toy, but I'd say they're fair, I guess. The basics. I'm just gonna go down.
Hey.
Hi. Little baby. So Fabuloso, which is, you know, Jamaica's most used cleaning product. A very strong scent. I don't like it personally because any strong scent really gives it gives me a headache basically. So like smoke, but not all smoke. I like the smell of gas. I don't think anyone dislikes the smell of gas. Oven and grill cleaner. This is pretty cool. You got your bleach, your Brillo basics. Back to the pet food section. You got your tissue and stuff. More like vape stuff. For your sanitary. This is new. Never seen that one before. And yeah, kids' toilets. And then that. And you also have regular toiletries from wipes, stuff. More baby stuff here. Okay, now baby Tom. How much is that? $305. A bottle is $7.25 and $3.65 for the smaller one. What's it? There's no price on this. Oh, it's $9.05. That's awesome. Coffee. This is a pretty big store, so it's gonna take a while. So you got your cereals and stuff, oat section. So it's more of a and if you need, you know, a real Jamaican spices, you can come and get them here. Pretty cool place. I got I actually need, it's not cinnamon, or is it cinnamon? I think it's cinnamon. I'm gonna grab this cinnamon extract. I have the cinnamon powder, but oh no, it's actually vanilla. That's what I need because I already have cinnamon. And you got your rice, sugar, flour as well. This is bulgur. Not a fan, but it's there. You got pasta sheets, lasagna. If you're looking to build a taco, yeah, you have all that you need right here. It's a real big store. So you got your thin stuff from your peas to your beans to whatever. It's $2.40 for red beans, and that's this size right here. So this is the size of a bottle. Compared to a bottle, I guess pastries are flying off the shelf. You got your cookies, more thin stuff, tuna, sardines, you know, protein on a budget. I definitely recommend. These are awesome. Price isn't, but they are. Okay. And here you have your syrups. So it's $2.15 for most of them, $190. So $2.15 for the Lasco, $2.50 for the pure, and they have a Grand Depot. That's weird. So the Cals for $190. You got your sweeteners, more juice. You even have Prime, which is, yeah, about this $555. I think they're the same at the store at the time. Frequent. Of course, you got your water. A lot of variety here. You have Fiji. What's this? Curry. Highlands. Evian. There's a lot of water here. You got your chips. And your juice. Can't go wrong with cheesies. These are the best. Right. Okay, so this is the last row, which is your alcohol section. Well, alcohol and soft juice, soft drinks. So you got your beers, your Seagrams, Carib, White Claw, High Noons. Much more. You got your Maltas as well. Supplicant. This is the new Gatorade, I guess, or something similar. So you got Powerade, Energy, yeah, powered by Gatorade, and regular Gatorade, and more water. Can't have too much water. I normally drink this if I'm going to the gym and I don't have any pre-workout. I'll get 7, but the sugar-free one, which is the sugar-free one, is a white can. So basically a fully white can, which I hardly see around. So they're pretty rare if you ask me. You got your soft juice. This is pretty cool. You got glass Coke, which I haven't tried, at least not since I'm big. Maybe when I was a kid, but that's it. Let's try this one of these. Oh. Pretty cool. Alright. You got your produce on your wines. So you got seasoning down there. Can't see it. I'll just have to go. So you got the papaya, pineapple, your eggs, you know, mochi ice cream, and lychee. That's pretty cool. You got all of the seasons that you would need for a regular Caribbean dish here. From, oh, that's new, lemon pepper, seasoning salt, celery powder, cumin seeds, which is weird. I didn't know those came in seeds. You got lemon, which is $539 for 3. So baby watermelons. I could eat all this wine at one go. $300 per coconut. As of whatever today's date is. Got your saltfish, pig's tail, red herring, or just regular herring, I should say. Got your eggo, cakes, bagels, breads, pizza, fruits mixed from rainforest. You got your vegan options as well. Can't believe it's not meat. So that's meatless burgers and stuff like that. So etc. And you also have peanuts, shelled, unshelled, corn, gungo beans, kidney beans, and the like. And continuing from this seasoning thing right here, you have more along the line. More stuff. You also have a lot more wines, which for a budget buy, the yellowtail is the best. Any yellowtail and you're good, you're golden for red wines. So you got the whole chickens here, you got your banana green, your sweet, well, your regular potatoes, you got yams, this dasheen, yeah, dasheen is $4.50 a pound, yam is $5.50, that's a bit much. I'd rather go to the market. So you got everything here. You got durian, that's new. Frozen durian. Yeah, durian pulp, which is interesting. You have a lot of international foods here. So sliced beef to this is squid to frog legs. I might give this a try. Heard it tastes like chicken. Normally, especially people from Jamaica or the Caribbean would, well, I wouldn't say the Caribbean because there's a lot of countries here that eat frog legs and other parts of frog. So I'll say specifically in Jamaica, we don't eat stuff like that, but I'm willing to give it a try. You also have turmeric, plantains, oh, coconuts, ginger. What is this? This isn't super, oh, it's a cantaloupe. It's the only cantaloupe there. Grapefruit. It says honeydew, but I don't see any. And you have your oranges. Okay. Oh, jumbo pork buns. Well, dim sum. So it's not the buns. The buns are somewhere else. Oh, there they are. Veggie and pork buns, which I like them. B doesn't. I really like buns. What is this? It's a fish's head. Well, a half of a fish. Split right down the middle. It's interesting. So you got your, so that's where the vegan burgers are. They have breadsticks here, corn, chips or fries, depends on where you're from. You got coffee cakes and other ice creams and stuff in that here. The juices. You got your fish. I may have to go both sides here. So you got bologna, franks, and mostly that. You got your fishes here. You got sliced fishes, whole fishes, red snappers, and cowhead, which is a very interesting cut of meat. You got your beef liver, just as interesting as the head. It's a rib, $16,000 for a lamb rib, which it's about 8 sections right there. You got your snappers and your chicken breast and your whole chickens. That's what I like to buy and then cut it myself. You also have your shin, that I think that's from a cow. You got your yogurt section over here, which okay, yogurt and wraps, and your fruit section here. So you got star fruit, which this isn't somewhere I see a lot. Something I see a lot. Your sugar canes. I'm not sure what that is. I know it, but I don't remember what it is. You got your bean sprouts. Oh, loin, so that's pork. You got your lobster. $147 for a tail of lobster. I don't know how they weight, but they got everything else here. That's why I say something is cheaper than some. I'm not going to go upstairs in this video because the time is against me. So I'm just going to do downstairs, and I'll do upstairs in a part 2. You got your cheeses in this section. Anywhere from, well, they were right here the last time I came. Now they're here. So I think the cheapest cheese here, I know they have one cheaper than 500. Oh, is that it? No, that's butter. They have a paler version of this. Like it looks similar to this, but paler, for like 300 or 400 and something. So yeah, that's 500 right here, and that would be it for this section. So I'm just gonna go make a quick spin. I need soda. That's the whole reason I came here. Oh, and you got the cakes also in the dairy section. Wouldn't say dairy section, but you got cakes here. From sugar cheesecakes to Dora's cakes. I'm not sure how that tastes, but Dora started making cakes now. So more like toothpaste and stuff in that aisle. More sanitary stuff in this aisle. So I guess the first aisle that you'll see with stuff like this is just that if you want to grab something real quick, instead of going detail and come this side. So you got your Tresemme shampoo and conditioner and your sulfur and all of that. I like the sulfur ones, but they burn like the eyes, even if they haven't touched nowhere where your eyes are. So you got your umbrellas as well and your wrapping paper. For all the men out there or aspiring women to cut their men's hair or be a barber, you have shears here. We got speakers as well, which I didn't know. Perfume sets. Some nice, real lovely flowers. Fake, of course. But it'll be a nice addition to your desk or your house. You also have your supply. It's a small men's section. I wouldn't even say it's a men's section. It's just for short hair. So you got your picks, which I need one of the regular ones, but the iron. Oh, the iron isn't for my type of hair. It really rips it out. So you got a small amount of extensions. Small amount, but they have it. So I'm gonna go and grab some sodas. I need 2. I'm gonna bring one home and one to the in-laws. So 300. Not really a Pepsi fan, but I'm gonna grab 2 and go check out. If I can find something.
Julian, you manage that then? Or you figure it's trouble? You want to put it on one side, you have on the one side, you know, look up on the station, and you see the problem, you don't come on the It sounds like 100.
Yes, and you have your higher quality liquors in this section. Our spirits. Good evening. Thank you. Okay, it's no night. It is no night. Go home.
Like, share and subscribe for part 2.